Perhaps you've seen the newly released images from NASA's James Webb Space Telescope. If you haven't, I encourage you to do an internet search and take a look. They are stunning. If you have seen them, then you can better understand why C.S. Lewis had a penchant for calling outer space the heavens rather than outer space. For Lewis, this pet peeve wasn't a quirk. It was a matter of conviction, a matter of his worldview. Lewis loved the medieval period and even thought of himself as a sort of dinosaur living in this modern world. And one of the key features of the medieval worldview that Lewis loved so much was their understanding of and wonder for the stars and planets, the heavens. Instead of cold, dark emptiness, the medievals thought of the heavens as a kind of vault teeming with life, angels and demons and even faeries. For them, the movements of the heavens weren't mechanical. They were personal. They communicated the love and care of their Creator. But it wasn't only the medieval person who was in awe of the heavens. Astronomy is one of the oldest and most important sciences in all of human history. By learning astronomy, they could navigate the seas and they could tell time. And they also were provoked to ponder the deeper meanings of life. Studying the heavens was as normal and expected as a teenager wanting to get a smartphone or a driver's license. Most importantly, the study of astronomy is one of the most elementary and glorious means of knowing ourselves, contemplating God, and understanding our place in His cosmos. Consider the psalmist who said, "O Lord, our Lord, how majestic is your name in all the earth. You have set your glory above the heavens. And out of the mouth of babies and infants you have established strength because of your foes, to still the enemy and the avenger." When I look at your heavens, the works of your fingers, the moon and the stars, which you have set in place, what is man that you are mindful of him, and the Son of Man that you care for him? Yet you have made him a little lower than the heavenly beings and crowned him with glory and honor. You have given him dominion over the works of your hands. You have put all things under his feet, all sheep and oxen, and also the beasts of the field, the birds of the heaven, and the fish of the seas, whatever passes along the paths of the seas. O Lord, our Lord, how majestic is your name in all the earth. In our modern world, filled with light pollution and artificial technologies like GPS, there may be days, even weeks, that go by without even thinking about or even looking up at the stars, let alone gazing at the heavens and pondering the meaning of life. But in ages past, people learned astronomy. It was a staple of every educated person. It wasn't an optional elective reserved for the fringe nerds who want to study the revolution of the planets. It was essential. Since the earliest days, educators have included astronomy as a fundamental part of a liberal education. And that's why at Kepler, we offer astronomy as an essential class and as part of our diploma track.